How to increase render distance in Roblox. Increasing render distance in Roblox improves how much of the game world you see. But it's important to note that Roblox itself doesn't offer direct control over render distance setting. However, you can take several steps to enhance your viewing experience and potentially increase the visible range. So here's the process how you can do that. So you have to allow the Roblox to adjust the graphic quality setting, which can impact how far you can see in the Roblox game. First of all, you have to launch your Roblox app on your device. Once you have launched your Roblox app, you have to start the game that you want to play. Just go and start the game that you want to play here. Just click on the play button. So which is usually represented by the horizontal line. You have to. So once you have started the play option, so just go for the menu option here. Just go and click on the menu. Once you have clicked on the menu, you have to select the setting option from the menu here. Once you have selected the setting menu, you have to use the slider to increase the graphic quality here. Just go for the graphic quality or graphic mode. So you have to use the slider mode to increase the graphic quality. So which also increases the render distance but may affect the performance, especially on less powerful devices. Some Roblox games may have their own setting or script that can control the render distance. Look for any in-game setting or option provided by the game developer. So you have to look for the option related to the graphics mode or the render setting here on your setting. So go back after that. Also, you can use a high performance devices. You can upgrade your hardware. Higher end devices with better graphic capabilities can handle the higher distance, render distance and graphical setting better. So if you are experiencing the issues with render distance in a specific game, you might reach out to the game developer or you can provide the feedback and you can contact to the game developer through the game page or social media channel to suggest the improvement or inquire about the render distance option. So in summary, while Roblox doesn't support or direct setting for render distance, adjusting the graphic quality, audio quality, optimizing your device and exploring the game specific option can help you to achieve a better visual experience. So you have to always prioritize safe and authorized method to enhance your gameplay. With the help of this video, you will know about how you can increase the render distance in your Roblox. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.